this is the lardilla.
What?
The squirrel.
Squirrel?
The squirrel is right there. The squirrel is right there. Oh, the black thing? Yeah. I don't know.
This is just a cover, honey.
Maybe it's a fan, a big fan.
Ooh.
Look at the cockatoo, Abby.
I want to find some more of it.
Here, let's record these real quick for you. And then we'll go.
I'm cold.
You cold? Abigail, how can you be cold? It's 90 degrees out here.
Yeah, it's hot.
I'm so
I
cold.
know, it's hot. Yeah. He's not sleeping. Parece artificial, ¿no?
Yeah.
Why is it not sleeping?
Look, this is red, Abby, just like you
That one
like.
that you like, the red color.
The red one, yeah. Yeah, look, that's got your Tito in your favorite color. Tito blue color and the red color for Abby. Hey, look, and that's the one that was on your head. You see
The
it?
yellow one. The
Remember?
yellow with orange.
He was on
That
your
one is
head.
what she put it here in your head, remember?
Now that one's sleeping.
Where's the girl?
She don't come back until later.
She comes in at 2:30. Hello?
Hello? Who's talking?
No.
I don't know. One of the birds say hello. Woo! You see?
That was him.
That was him?
Yeah. He said, woo.
Hello? Hello?
He said, woo and a woo.
Woo! You see?
And a woo.
Hello? Hello?
He's awake.
Hello?
He's awake too.
Look, there's the blue
What?
macaws. Look, the blue macaws.
There's two together. The two
Yep.
together.
And then that's the other one is the green wing macaw.
Where?
That one right here, that's the green macaw.
Where is it?
The one right there sleeping, honey. Right next to the blue ones.
Oh,
Because he's got the green feather.
what blue? I can't see it.
Hey! Hello?
Huh? Look at my car. Look. Look at the car. He was in the show.
Yes, he was in the show, yeah.
And the blue one.
Hello? Creepy. Hello?
He's creepy.
You say creepy.
Why?
Creepy? Creepy. You see? Who is creepy? Creepy? You see? Okay.
So Abigail, what do you want to call this one? This one right here. What do you want to call
I
him?
want to call him Footprint.
Okay. Here, the yellow one. What do you want to call him?
The yellow one is named Footprint.
Footprint. And how about the white one?
The cockatoo.
Like Gracia.
Rachel? Okay. How about that green one?
The green one is plain Goso.
Goso? Okay.
No,
How about
Goso.
that red one back in the back?
Goso.
Goso? You want to call them both Goso?
No.
Okay.
I'm going to call that one. I'm going to call that one now. What did you say when I say that one is
Goso.
Goso?
Yeah, Goso.
No, what did you name that one for? I named him Goso.
Usually
Let's go here. Hey, already go here.
yeah, now we're gonna go here. That way. We can go home. Yes, way.
No way.
Yes, way. Oh, that one was very nice.